So welcome to the new video. Today we are going to look up to the new problem. Whenever you open a new Excel sheet, it opens into a window, and when you open another Excel sheet, it opens into the same window. So you can view it over here, arrange your side by side. So this is how it will be, side by side, and it will be quite annoying here. To overcome this problem, we will do a new edit in our registry. Let's close this, search here, registry editor, open it. Yes, we want to allow this change. Coming to scroll it over here, and I'll show you from right behind here. There will be several H keys. Open H classes root. In that, come to the Excel files, and in this open this Excel 12 or Excel 8 or Excel CSV, whatever you want to change. In this I'm going to open Excel sheet.12. Coming to the shell is nothing but we having open. Just rename this, rename it as 2 and press enter. Coming to the command, rename the command, do not delete this. Coming to this default, modify this, and in place of this E, let it be double inverted commas, %1, double inverted commas. Okay, just press OK, and then close this, and now we'll be able to open it into different files. Okay, here it is. And one more thing, we have opened this file, and see, still the problem is not resolved. So we'll get back to this. No, coming back to the registry edits. Yes, coming to here, Excel sheet, Excel 8, coming to shell, open, rename this file. Rename this command. It's a kind of link between both. Space, comma, %1, double inverted commas, and give it OK. And now close this. Hopefully our problem must have been solved right now. It is opening right now. It opened, and this file is opened. Yeah, it's successful. So we have successfully opened two different files in different modes. You can see both side by side. Well, thanks for watching.